This is an electric tablet press driven by a motor. Mechanical gears above the machine are used to freely control the volume size/thickness of the equipment shaft pressing plane. The device is very sturdy and not easily damaged by external forces. The device's knob can control the clockwise and counterclockwise rotation of the pressing shaft, allowing for flexible switching according to the working scenario. Now, let's take a look at the performance of this device in actual work. Turn on the device power and check if the pressure shaft is operating properly. Use this iron ruler for testing. First, observe its thickness. Adjust the thickness of the suppression axis based on observation. Now, try placing the ruler into the compression shaft for compression. Of course, during the compression process of the material, we can also make minor adjustments to the compression shaft to achieve the best effect. Whether you are using it for DIY personal use or as a jeweler, this electric tablet press will definitely bring you great convenience, and we welcome everyone to leave comments in the comment section so that we can share more jewelry knowledge together. About what I expected, this device performs great, so this episode of the video is here. Looking forward to seeing you next time.